From homes to businesses, renovation projects to daily maintenance, there are few places where a multi-tool will not be of benefit. Milwaukee's, especially, will help you complete nearly any job with ease and precision. This tool can cut, grout, and sand, and those are only the jobs you can do with the included woodcutting and sanding accessories. You can attach many others to this tool, both from Milwaukee and from competing brands that produce multi-tools. There is enough speed adjustability that you can handle intense cutting jobs and delicate polishing jobs within seconds of each other. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Fast work is especially possible with the help of the tool-free accessory changing ability. Couple these features with the rubber grip found on the handle, and you won't even realize that you've been working all day with the comfort it affords you. Of course, this tool also boasts the more common, but no less useful, features found on other M18 products, like LED lighting, a fuel gauge, and Redlink technology. All of these abilities work together to provide a job site experience like no other. With the Milwaukees and a handful of accessories from Milwaukee, you'll be ready for nearly any obstacle found on or off the job. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 12 speed settings. This fully adjustable tool will switch from 11,000 to a whopping 18,000 OPM for a variety of applications, from the delicate to the heavy-duty. Number 2. Durability. The all-metal gear case will help this tool resist common impacts on the job, prolonging its longevity. Number 3. Handling. A rubberized mold covering the handle allows you to keep a firm grip on this multi-tool, improving handling even in slippery conditions. Number 4. LED lighting. Illuminate your work subject with the help of the onboard LED panel, located on the head of the tool so it works from any angle. Number 5. Redlink technology. The M18 batteries that plug into this tool have technology that allows cross-communication between the two platforms. This means that when the batteries know when the tool is close to overheating, and they'll ease the amount of power they give out. This, too, improves the longevity of the multi-tool, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.